Chili, a comfort food I just have to have on a cold winter's day. Just something about it. But I get tired of the same old regular chili, so I decided to do a chicken white chili. So delicious. Let me show you how to do this. So first off, I'm going to add some oil, about a tablespoon or two, to my Dutch oven, and we're going to heat this to medium-high heat. Now we're going to add in 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut into bite-sized chunks. Now we'll just fry these up until they're nicely browned and cooked through. I just love chicken. I'm on a chicken binge right now. Now, like I say, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast, but you can use, rotisserie chicken that you have left over, or just roasted chicken, just shred it up and put it in. Just about any kind of chicken will do. Chicken. I love chicken. Now we're basically cooked through here. It doesn't have to be super browned. I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, a couple of chopped celery stalks. I've been eating a lot of celery lately. That's a good thing. And 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And we'll just give this a stir and saute it until that garlic is fragrant. Nothing nicer than the smell of sauteing garlic. I want to cook your garlic. Next up, I'm going to season this with some salt, ground black pepper, gotta have that pepper, some cumin, teaspoon. You can add as much or as little as you like. I mean, the seasoning is always up to you. Some chili powder. You gotta have chili powder. It is chili. And my goodness, guys, this smells so good. A little bit of cayenne, just for some heat. That's about a 1/4 teaspoon. It's up to you again. Now we'll just give this a stir and saute till the chicken is completely coated and those spices activate. I've got to invent that smell-o-vision thing I keep talking about. Oh, this smells incredible. Now we're going to pour in 3 cups of chicken stock, half a medium can of corn. These are just the niblets. And a 19-ounce can, drained and rinsed, white kidney beans. So I will just go ahead and bring this to a simmer. And we'll just slip a lid on this and let it simmer away for about 10 minutes. Now I know I said white chili and it looks a little bit red. That's because I added quite a bit of chili powder. I like chili powder, but you can cut back a little bit and it'll look, all the whiter, but it's entirely up to you. After about 10 minutes, just look at this. But we are not done yet because I have a little trick. I am going to take 8 ounces of original cream cheese and just cube it up. Believe me, this is going to be spectacular. And we'll go ahead and add this in. And the reason I've cubed it is because it just distributes a little bit better and it melts a lot faster. But believe me, this is going to make it so rich and creamy. And I'm going to let this go on a partial boil for a couple of minutes, just until it thickens up. Now we'll just ladle this into a bowl. Oh, this is going to be so good. And of course, if you want it a little thicker, add less chicken stock. If you want it a little runnier, add a little more. Now to finish things off, I'm going to add in some grated cheese, some cilantro, and a squeeze of lime just for some freshness. That additional little pop. And there you have it, guys, our delicious white chicken chili. What a way to beat the January blues. Okay, let's dig in and see what we have here. We got some chicken on here, some of those chili beans, some cheese. Yum, just look at this, guys. Absolutely spectacular. Okay, here we go. What can I say? It's rich, it's creamy, It's got that heat from the cayenne. It's got that chili flavor to it, great texture. I just love everything about it. It's pure comfort food. Absolutely delicious. You gotta try this, guys. Believe me, you gotta try it. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Get all our latest recipes, join the website, all kinds of great stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.